Hey, what's up, Beetle? That's Stoner here. It's about 6 o'clock. There is a bad snowstorm out there, and just about to check it out. So, ready to open the door and see? There's a lot of snow, so let's go. Oh, man, look at that. Oh, hold on, I'm gonna try to switch this camera so you guys can see. There's a lot of snow here. Man, there's a lot of snow going on here. I don't know, I can fix this camera right straight. Okay. The whole stairs covered with snow. The guardrail. This is about how much we're getting of snow right now. So I'd say maybe 7 inches. We'll probably hit about 7 inches of snow, I think. We're probably gonna get even more. It's said to be like 15 inches or something. Not sure. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna be walking around so you guys can see. Whoa, all full of snow. I'm going through the back door too, so you guys know I'm not going in the front door right now. So, yeah. This is crazy. You know, this snow is like falling on my phone right now. Hopefully it won't get wet or anything. Like I said, it's Saturday night, January 23rd, 2016. First blizzard. Oh, I'm not really used to walking at a normal pace, but it's kind of tiring walking in snow like this. Man, look at all these cars. I guess nobody cleaned them yet. I'm sure people probably abandoned their cars already. We're gonna take a walk down the street and see if we find anything crazy. So, and that's the tractor right there. That's crazy, man. As you can see, there is a lot of snow going on. And I'm freezing. Just going for a walk, trying to catch some things. So, I'll see you guys in the next footage. Okay, so the wind is let me just stop here. Right. The wind is very, very strong. Oh, there's a lot of snow. This blizzard's really going on like crazy. I just decided to take a walk here around the hood and try to catch some stuff. I'm gonna try that on the day after too on this footage, so you guys can see. I don't know if the last video was upside down, but hopefully I can rotate it. Damn. Jingle bells there. Anybody wanted snow? You have it. Can't really focus. Oh, I need a cameraman. Come on, man. Yeah, not having a cameraman sucks. But, you know, I can get stuff anyway, so. Alright. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Okay, so that's the snow falling there again. Yeah. Let me go look for something else cooler, hopefully. It's kind of dark for this, but right here, this was like a big rock, and right there, I guess too. There's 2 big rocks. You can't even see in the snow. Tree right there is getting covered as well. That's the pile of the pile right there. That's the pile right there of grass and stuff, all covered with snow. Cars right there too. We gotta finally get some light over here. Excuse me. getting close to the light. Man, I just hope I won't get sick from this, you know. It's crazy. I'm always complaining on the damn videos. Wow, look at that. Wow, the snow. It's beautiful, but it's crazy. I'm trying to get a footage of some cars trying to get by with the snow. So, man, this is so much fucking snow, for real. Like, wow. There's a car trying to get by. Look, this is a bus stop right here too. A bus stop. As you can see, I'm trying to get the. Whoa! I'm not falling here. This is not good for my back. It's good, but it's not. That's the bus stop sign right there. Covered with snow. Probably halfway almost. And, let's go right if we can. I can't even see the street. I don't know if you guys can see the road, but can't see anything. And the snow just keeps falling. Like whenever the snow hits on your face, it's like burning. Like, I don't know, like my ears are like very, very frozen right now. There's a car going on. Damn blizzard, man. Not sure what this blizzard's exactly called yet, but I'm sure by tomorrow morning, whenever we do this day after video, I'll probably have an idea of what it is. What it's called. Wonder how the road up there looks. Wow, if you like making money shoveling snow or just plowing roads, you're gonna have a good time on this storm. I'm gonna try to see if I can get up in the road and see if anything going on over there. Yeah, so walking on this parking lot, I'm just really trying to get to Target. It took me already probably 20 minutes just to get halfway through. And the snow just keeps falling. Lot of snow. Well, for what I heard, this was supposed to be like a 9-year record or something. I don't know. That's what they usually say. I know a couple of years ago, I even got the footage of the Nemo storm. You guys can check out there in the account. That storm actually hit a record of 1970s record. And this right now, apparently it's a 9-year record. If you're going to talk about a 9-year record, you probably should just say it's an ice age. I mean, the last storm we got was pretty bad. So, yeah, check out all these cars, man. Look, so much snow. Now that I have a closer shot. Look, that's like an SUV. Mad snow. Car goes by. This area is actually kind of dark. I don't know if you guys can see anything. I want to make sure I got enough battery on my phone to get home. It snows. There's Target right there. Don't know if you're open, but let's find out. Car going by. Hello. I love the snow, don't you? Alright, let's cut it right here and get by Target or somewhere and see what's going on up there. So this road, I should actually get a shot here during the spring or something when there's no snow. Look, you can't even see it. That's a hill right there. This is a snow. And that's a lot of snow. So I'm trying to... I just got cut off there. So this is like trails of a small accident, or small accident, I mean a big accident. Probably happened a couple of weeks ago. I heard about. And yeah, so they destroyed a rail right there. They hit the post. I don't know if anybody died or if anybody survived or anything, but that sucks, yeah. So right now we're walking up Target's Hill, trying to see the situation over there with the snow, and there's piles and piles and piles of snow up ahead. The new age, everybody. This is the new age. Oh, there you go, right there. That's the spot where I fell and got my my slip disc. It was right there. Yep, I fell sliding out of two grocery shops, right in my hand, slid down the hill and fell. Bam. Enough said. No more ever falling again, please. Cool truck right there. More snow. This was an easy, simple. Off again. So this was a nice, simple sidewalk right here in front of me. Unfortunately, cannot cross. So that's a big tree that it's already halfway through since they plowed this snow in the parking lot of Target. Walking more. You know, like I was saying, this is actually pretty good for my back. You know, I'm getting some exercises. But at the same time, it's not, because it could fall anytime and then bust my ass and be stuck in the snow. I got a phone on me, but I don't have minutes, so. I don't know what the hell is going on with this phone anymore. So, there's another pole. Target probably closed. McDonald's right there. Best Buy is closed. A lot of footage. I'd like to send this to the news channel, hopefully. I don't know. That's a lot of snow right there falling. Oh, look at the snow. It's so beautiful, isn't it? I don't know if you guys caught it before, but right there I was trying to show it's a small sidewalk. I was trying to cross that. And I also mentioned that at that spot where I fell, I got this herniated slip disc, which is not good. But and then I also mentioned that this walking in the snow, it's a good idea, but at the same time it's not, because I could fall on my ass. And the good thing is that whatever, I'm just fucking mumbling right now. Yeah, anyway, so this is the snow, the sidewalk right. Go sliding anymore because it busted my back. How many times in this video? I don't care. But look, this is the whole parking lot of Target. There is a Target symbol right there. Crazy stuff going on. Doesn't look like there's so much going on. Wendy's over there too. Sam's Club across the street. Guitar Center. Yeah. Alright, let me get under the light right here. Probably can see me. Okay, so I am going to try to walk back. Still trying to catch a footage. I might just go around the other block. So this seems kind of pretty cool. I'm sorry I'm making this video long, if anything. So, all right, let's check it out. More stuff. Snow. Cut this once again because I did press the button by accident. I don't know, I thought that might mean something, but I guess not. Get back to you guys. Yeah, so I was thinking about going up there in the road, but I don't know, I'm kind of shaky right now, really. I don't want to get up there and then, you know, I'm like going against authorities for walking on a freaking snowstorm on a freaking road, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna walk back right now and close up this video, and if I find something on the way there, we on. Alright. This is like, yo, Jesus, just a snowstorm. It's not a freaking hurricane or anything, man. This is a normal road. I mean, not much of a road right now. So, there we have it. There's a mailbox. Looks like it's right in the middle of nowhere. And the street poles. Still walking back. It probably took me like 20 minutes to get there, or a half hour, which is like a 10-15 minutes walk. And it's gonna take me another 10 minutes, so yeah. Alright. Just found a shopping cart right here. It's tilted on the snow and it's almost covered, so I'm sure next video hopefully I will be walking over here and see this cart again. It'll probably be more covered. I don't know, it's just a blizzard going on. It's a lot of snow, but still I don't know if we're getting any more snow or not. So I see a car coming. Don't really want to cause any attention, but I'm just gonna wait till him fucking crosses, goes by so I can cross. This car getting by. Oh, that looks like somebody I knew, one of the guys from Pro Park. Hey, can you punch my card for me? Yeah, I can punch your fucking card. Used to actually beep, 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 and then you have to punch his card for him. He'll use it as like a code that he's at work. So maybe I can. There's like a car up ahead. He's probably backing up because of the snow. He can't really get through. Well, I found a little room here on the sidewalk, so I can probably walk. Yeah, so I guess he just quit and then he went back. I don't know if you guys could see that on video, but it was actually right up ahead of me. Still walking back. It looks like a freaking journey just to go to the store. I wish I did this earlier, but I really couldn't go out earlier. I tried to make it early a little bit. Actually, I didn't. You know, I tried to make an early video, but anyways, so that's an intersection right there. Can't see much, but it is. Cars up coming ahead. They're trying to get up on the snow and they can't. That guy probably just turned around or something and he still got stuck. Well, there's the intersection. Light pole on the street. Roads. somebody walking from the street. It's crazy, man. Oh. That's crazy. Look at this snow coming down, man. I'm still saying the same thing I started saying at the beginning of the video, but okay, so heading back right now to the parking lot of home, and I don't know, I'm freezing right now, and my face, as you probably cannot see, so frosted. So I will pick up again at the house, or just before I get in. So I found like those water pools things, whatever it's called, like where dogs piss. It's all covered. Oh, that sucks. How is the doggy gonna piss? Another rock right here. Another rock. All covered. And I damn had to walk on the freaking where that's not it's not plowed. Still walking back to the complex, still walking to the apartment. I'm soaked. The snow is like always inside my feet. I can't even talk right now, man. It's so cold it is, like freezing. Oh. But I'm heading back, so just walking here on this road. This is a road, actually. This is my home road, where I live. And the road is absolutely covered. I like freezing too, that I can't even blink. I don't know, if I stayed another hour in this, I probably would not survive. Like a kid, get that on the news, on the videotape snowstorm. Following the next morning, that's crazy. It's scary shit. But again, I'm walking on my road. Battery's low. Phone's probably like, please get me to a heat. We're gonna make it home. And there's another snow, water thing where dogs piss and shit. Fire hydrant, that's what they call it. Yeah. And just right now, that's where I live. And that spaceship right there, you guys, you see? That's a big spaceship. So, walking on this parking lot. Try to get by the snow. Looks like the lanes are covered. Lanes are covered. Can't see shit. I can see where I'm walking. That's okay. At least that'll get me home, survive. All right there, just trying to take the snow off the cars. Snow. Holy shit. Wow. That's crazy, man. That's my feet. Happy feet. Yeah, so that's my complex right there where I live. And it is under the snow. Damn. Crazy. Oh, that's a good shot right here. I'm gonna be going up the stairs. All full of snow. I hope I won't bust on my back again. Ah. Almost there. If I bust my back, my phone be going too, but at least I don't have the footage. That's okay. Door's frozen. Can't see much. And heading in.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome. Yeah, so that was a snowstorm right there you guys just saw. I am climbing up the stairs to get in my apartment. I am freezing. Look at falling. No, I can't really see much. Okay. Well, subscribe to my channel. Links are down below. And stay warm.